This is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very simple to use. At top here, be able to go here and select whichever server you would like to use. As you can see here, it will show you the fastest server at the top, and you can pretty much adjust this by name and stuff about. But I do recommend to let it stay as it is. As well, you do have the premium section as well. So you can tap on this option here to see all the premium servers. And in the recent section, these are all the servers which will show that you have recently connected to. So nothing much for that. And as well, once you selected your server, you're pretty much good to go. But if it's your first time, you won't need to worry about which server you're using. You have quite a lot of servers for you to choose from, as you can see here. And if you do tap on the R icon here, you'll be able to see servers within that servers. So yeah. And as well, you do have some protocols down here which you can use. If you're not a pro at this, then I may recommend you selecting the auto option and maybe Google these and pretty much get their understanding of their pros and cons. So that's really pretty much for that there. As well, in the account section, nothing much. We'll just show you that you're on a free plan and you may need to sign in if you want to get the subscription. So once you have pretty much set up the servers and so forth, pretty much can go ahead and tap on the connection button. We'll ask for connection request. Tap on OK, pretty much good to go from there. As well as you can see here, you're pretty much connected in no time. So very easy VPN to use. I'm not going to say it's very fast as well, and it's very, very good in terms of the other VPNs that I've reviewed so far. I haven't reviewed the top ones yet, but this one I've reviewed so far is one of the best that I've come across. Very simple and very fast and very stable. The servers are good as well. So that's really pretty much it for that. As it relates to the subscription for this VPN here, you can tap on the free trial option, or you can tap on the crown icon at the top here, which pretty much will carry you to their subscription page. It unlocks everything as it relates to their servers, pretty much everything, guys. And as well, you do get a 3 days free trial, as you can see here, 3 days free trial, and you pretty much start paying the weekly fee or monthly fee. Whichever one you choose is pretty much going to be the same. So yeah, that's really pretty much it for their subscription. And once you're in the subscription page, you may be confused on how to exit. All you have to do is just pretty much tap on the proceed with ads, and you're good to go. So that's all for today. See you in the next one.